Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you one of the craziest trading tools I've tested recently. This Telegram bot can literally automate your trades and it helps even beginners trades like a pro. I've tested this already almost 3 months and results wow me. Well, let me show you how it works. This is the Telegram bot called Pocket Robot. Everything works directly inside Telegram. No complicated software, no setup headaches. You simply open the bot, go to settings and choose your trading strategy. You can select different expiration times, for example 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, whatever fits your style. Then the bot scans the market using multiple indicators and gives you possible trading signals. You also choose your trade amount here, and keep in mind the bot uses a martingale system, meaning it can increase the trade size automatically after a loss. Now you can see we start the trades. For example, I'm using conservative settings now. You can literally just hold your phone while it trades for you. And look, the trades are synchronized live with Pocket option in real time. And we can see the first trade. If it's lost, the bot instantly opens the next step automatically. And we just wait. Boom! First profit. $13 profit in less than 5 minutes, guys. Well, guys, I've tested a lot of trading bots, but honestly, this is probably one of the most interesting ones I've seen so far. You can test it for free on a demo account or start small with the real trades. If you want the bot link and my promo code for a deposit bonus, check the description below or message me directly on my Telegram. And if you want a full video about the best settings and strategies, hit the like button and subscribe. Enjoy!